Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will continue the Most High tutorial. I only taught how to play the chords, and I thought it wise that I should add how to pick and kind of spell the song without having to sing. So instead of Hallelujah to God Most High, you have to you can try picking it. Yeah. Okay, welcome back. So we'll start with the same chords from the previous tutorial. So try and look for that note. So with your C, this note is actually an open on the third string. It's going to be open. That means that's the G note. Then that same note. So you are plucking, you are picking all the strings, but more emphasis on that note. So you can play open to get a ha, then the F, then the same. So the second string, then the 6 F A minor, then the same second string. Then this time you want to bring your pinky to the third fret on the second string to get the re note. So from the two God Most High were all second string. So 3, then 2, the same 2. You can pick to fill in. That's the 2, 2. Then you pick 1, 2, 3. Then from 2 upwards. Then anyway, then Most High, that means the re note. Then you go back to your C. So your pinky on the third fret, second string, then you come back to C. That is 2, 1. The strings 2. You see, still 1 of heaven, or maybe you can bring your pinky on the third fret again. So Most High God of heavens, or maybe you can play 1. Most High Ruler, they say, of the earth. So let's try it together. You can try and play around it. let's try the Musa again. Thank you for watching this video this far. If you've not subscribed, and if you like this video, kindly consider liking and share, comment if you have any question, if anything that you want me to touch on, and also subscribe. Share to your friends and ask them to subscribe as well. Anyone who is interested in learning the guitar, you know that I can take you through this. Thank you once again, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to see my videos. See you next time.